So these are the brand new baby budgies. Just pulled them from their nest now. Saturday morning. Here's the oldest fellow, 2 weeks old, 14 days old. Oh my goodness, here's a 12-day-old. And then the one in the middle didn't hatch, I think, which would make this one 8 days old. And this one, 6 days old. Oh, they're very awesome and pretty. Yes, look at the little blue on the tips of that wing. That's a gorgeous baby. I think that's going to be an opaline like the mama. Let's see, but this is just a guess. Oh, aren't they doing well? How cute are you guys? Oh my goodness, you're so, so cute. It's already picking at the little blanket. And this one's sound asleep with a nice full crop. And a very nice full crop. Mommy and Daddy are doing a good job on you babies. Yeah, and now it's time for me to give them a rest. Yep, we're gonna feed you bigger guys very, very soon. The brooder's getting all nice and warm. We're gonna pop you in it. Yeah, and I'm sure we're gonna take another look at you in a while. That's the brand new baby English budgies. Doing great.